If you've been following me from inception, you know that I love natural products and DIYs, and I equally love showing you all how to take great care of your hair in the comfort of your home, using simple and easy concoctions to nurse your hair back to health. Please listen. If you want to make Ayurvedic hair growth spray that targets all your hair horrors, slow hair growth, dandruff, shedding, balding, breakage, itchy scalp, name it, then you have to make this DIY. Everyone have got one problem on the scalp or the other. This is the season of scalp issues, so you need something like this to help your scalp and your hair to stay healthy and for new growth to sprout. This hair tea is a goodie and you guys are going to love it. This spray encourages healthy hair growth and scalp stimulation. It helps inflame scalp, strengthens the hair, and it thickens your hair and prevents premature graying of hair. Welcome to the channel. My name is Dima. Please click on the like button and also subscribe to the channel. If you have questions, please ask in the comments. To begin, grab a jar like so. Make sure all apparatus to be used are well sterilized. For our first ingredient, I have rose petals. Rose petals has anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe scalp irritation. Rose petals also contains vitamins that contribute to healthy scalp environment. This is why rose petals is often said to help with hair growth. Hair grows fast when the scalp is healthy. Misting your hair with water that contains rose petals helps moisturize and hydrate your hair and can also help you fight frizz. When you moisturize your hair using rose water, it's easier to manage with the added benefits of a great scent. Also, the moisturizing effect of rose water makes the hair easy to detangle, which prevents hair breakage. For the proportion, I measured out 2 tablespoons of the rose petals into my jar. Moving on to our next ingredient, we have dry rosemary leaves. Rosemary is highly nutrient rich and contains vitamins A and C and B6, a good source of iron. Rosemary also contains calcium, magnesium, and potassium. Rinsing your hair often with rosemary water will deliver some benefits like anti-inflammatory benefits that can soothe an irritated scalp, dry scalp, and help reduce dandruff. Antioxidant benefits help increase scalp circulation, stimulating the follicles for increased growth. Antimicrobial properties clear the scalp and follicles of potential infections. For the proportion, I measured out 2 tablespoons of the dried rosemary leaves. There are other benefits which I won't be mentioning just not to waste your time. Next, I added about 500 ml worth of hot water into the jar containing our rose petals and rosemary leaves. Moving on, I covered the jar, allowing it to steep for 12 hours. That way, all the ingredients, the dried ingredients, will be able to release their nutrients in the hot water. After 12 hours, this is how concentrated the water is. So I went ahead and sieved using my strainer and a bowl to collect my filtrate. Next is to transfer the filtrate into my spray bottle. That way it will be easier for me to spray on my hair and also for storage. Please, if you're using it as a tea rinse, you can just use it that way and pour on your hair without even using your spray bottle. So I transferred that into my spray bottle. And then my next and final ingredient is jojoba oil. Please, if you don't have this oil, you can use castor oil. That way it will help with sleep. I love to use my hair teas as a leave-in spray. Basically, I just spray on my hair and then I seal with something like sealant. Basically, this is actually hair grease that I made. If you want to see this hair grease, if you want to see me make this grease on this channel, please let me know in the comment section and I'll go ahead and share it next. So I went ahead and sprayed this starting from my roots, my scalp basically, then worked my way to my hair shafts. make sure to spray on your roots, your scalp, and then give yourself a gentle massage. Work that in properly before you move over to your hair shaft. That way it's going to do its work on your scalp. There are a lot of hair issues flying around, scalp issues basically flying around, especially this rainy season. For those of us in Nigeria, I don't know what you call rainy season there in the diaspora. So next, I sprayed on my hair shaft and then went ahead and sealed with this hair grease that I made. I love this hair grease so much. I love how moisturizing it is. It keeps my hair moisturized for long. It's actually a DIY. I'll go ahead and share it if a lot of you request that in the comment section of this video. Storage, because you did not add preservatives to this hair tea, I advise you store in your refrigerator for only 5 days, meaning that you can only use this hairspray within 5 days. In order for you not to waste this hairspray, you can divide the ingredients into half and then use one so that you can use it within 2 days or thereabouts, and you want to apply to your hair 2 to 3 times weekly as a leave-in. If you're applying it as a rinse out, then you have to use it on your wash day and you have to use it once a week. I hope you understand. I know that in my previous video a lot of you asked this question. That's why I'm trying to clarify that. If you cannot use this spray every day, you are to use it 2 to 3 times weekly, and this spray is not for babies from 6 months or 1 year. So from 2 years upwards can use this spray. You've been looking for a perfect mist that you can use to hydrate your hair and also help your hair grow and thicken. This is a perfect spray for you. You can use it to hydrate your hair before applying your leave-in conditioner and also your sealants. Please and please stop using boring water to hydrate your hair. You can add Ayurveda in your water. Hair can resist this treatment. This is the perfect combination. Whether your hair is sensitive or not, I advise you start with this hair tea because it's very mild and very effective too. So start off with this rosemary and also rose petals spray. It is very good. To end it here, if you have any question for me, kindly drop it in the comment section below. That brings us to the end of this video. Please remember to like this video, give us a thumbs up, share with your friends and family. Remember to subscribe and also leave me a comment, most importantly in the comment section below, because I will definitely reply you. I will see you on my next one shortly. Bye.